Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. That is Tech Aruna, and I'm sure that all of you know that I'm running a series on Canva tutorial. So today's lesson is about how to create a wonderful, beautiful, aesthetic, and very cool profile picture. A profile picture you need for every social media networking site. And if it is effective, definitely people will definitely click on it and enter your site. That is a truth everybody knows about it. So we are going to learn about how to create a beautiful profile picture today. So without wasting time, I would like to go to sharing my screen. And after that, I'll go to Canva and I'll log in to Canva. And then I'm going to create a design. So I'll click the button, create a design, and I will make it a simple post, that is Instagram post, that I'll be getting a blank template. So in which we can actually create the profile picture. The first thing comes first. So first and foremost thing, we need to do a background color. If your picture is dark in color, go for a lighter background. And if your picture is light in color, then you can go for a dark background. So let me check. I think this will be suitable, or else you can go for something else. Bright yellow or a gradient. You can use a gradient also. Now, if you think that will be suitable. Now, so I'm choosing this yellow color. Now I have to choose the picture. That is image of yourself. So let us go to element and let me type here lady, so that I can use any of the maybe women. I'll go for photos. Yes, here we have the image of so many girls here. So I can choose anyone, like you can choose yours. So let me go for this vibrant lady. So this, but I think the background is not good. So I'm going to click and edit photo. You're going to edit the photo. Let me click. I think it came. Yeah. So in Pro version, you will get this option of removing the background, BG remover. But in case if you have a free version, no worries at all. You can go to Google and type BG remover. There also it is instant background remover is available. There you just need to upload your photo and then come back to BG remover, and then you'll get a photo removed background. So here we can do it simple. Click. So I've done it. Now this photo is like this. I'm going to make it here. Then I need to choose a frame. So in the element only, I will write circle frame. Yes. So when I go to circle frame, you'll get many circle frames. So even you have a border with the circle, and then, different kind of circle frames are available. So I will choose one. Let me choose a simple one. Yes. So here it is. And now actually we need to bring this lady front, bring to forward. So done. Now you can go here and fix this girl. So this is how you can create your profile pic. See, you can make any changes over here. And even in case if you want the border line to be darker with some other color, dark color, you can go for it. And you want to change the white color into something. Might be you need to go for dark one, because as I said, the darker one, background dark, will not be correct. So again, we can go for the same yellow color. So now your profile pic is ready. Even if you want to adjust it, you can adjust the girl. Only the face can come. This way you can do it. This is how to create a simple profile pic. Now, so here I'm going to teach you one more method of creating profile pic. So again, go for frame, typing frame in elements. So you will get so many frames. If you want only circle, you can write and circle frame and get it also. So we have put the frame here. Now here we want actually the picture of a lady. Again, we can go and search for women. I'll go for photos because clarity will be there. So I am going to choose somebody here. let me go for the first picture only. This is, yes. I'm going to edit the photo and remove the background. Now done. Now, in case if you want to change the color of the background, you can go and do it. And here I just want the transparency to be less, so that let's see how this comes out. It is not looking good, so we can go for the transparency as before. Now here it is. Now sometime we see some designer background, like some designs are there, rays kind of things are there. So I am going to type here rays. So let us see how this comes up. Yeah, this is what I wanted actually. So you can go for such kind of thing, like, yes, you can choose any one. Let us go for this. Now let us see how this works and make this send back. It is not happening actually because the color has, I'll remove the background color also. Now here it is. Now the yellow color, we need to make it a different one. So I can go for blue, and again I can go for again blue, and I can go for might be another different tone of blue. Okay, now this is done. Now this photograph can be, yes. Now you can see here how this has become. So I'll add on one more profile picture. Here it is. See, you can see how this profile pic looks. Even if you want to go for a change of color, because it is still not much effective, we can go and do some more changes here. Maybe a purple, change all. You can, I think maroon will suit with the background of yellow color. So I think that will be more good. Yes. So this is one way of, again, creating with a background effect. Now this is your profile pic. This is your profile pic. So we'll go for one more method of doing it. So which will be more interesting. Come on, here again, I'm going to go for frames, circle frame. And I am going to add here again rays or something background pattern. Let us check pattern. Not looking good. Yeah, here we have some. Yes, we can choose this. Right. Now, actually, we need to get the image also done. Before that, we'll make some color change here so that it is effective. And then again, for a light blue, I think I should go for this. Yes, this is looking a little bit more, but then I think the transparency should be included. Otherwise, it will dominate the image. Okay. Yes. Just still, we can go for a better one. Now, actually, this is done. Now we need to go for the image. Go for image, woman, and again photos. Click here, and then let us go for a profile pic. Now remove the background using background remover, and then you can actually, like, this should be, the frame can be done later on. And this looks somewhat in not exactly matching with our color scheme. So what we can do is we can go for a darker green and a lighter green, so that no, like it will be looking a bit better. So this is how it is. Now, actually, we want to set this in a frame. So what you have to do is you can actually make it bigger. We'll make it as an image, download it, and then get back and fix it in a red circular frame. So this is our image. Now we are going to download this. So it will take a minute to download. Get it downloaded. Done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to create a new page. Now here I'm going to remove the color. Yes. Now I am going to include a frame here. The circular frame is already available. I can see all also. So we have this circular frame. So I think this can be taken, which has a border. We can remove this and put on here. Now you're going to get the downloaded image in the uploads. So upload file, it is downloaded in my computer. So I'm going to the downloads, and then I'm going to go for the image. I think still it is running. So let us wait for the downloading to complete. So it is again there. So we need to go to the download because it is go to downloads, and here it is. We are going to open it. We have, because we have so many photographs, right? So we are going to do the last one, I think. Copy file and then paste it here. I'll create a folder to paste it so that without any difficulties we can get into it. Now I'm going to the Canva. Now I'm going to the upload files. I can go to the download, and I have got this folder inside which are images safely stored. Now I'm going to take up this image, open. Now it is uploaded here. Now after from there, you need to take it into the design. Now when you click here, it has come. Now when you are going to fix it, see how beautiful this profile pic is. Got it? Now you can again, if you want to enlarge the image, you can actually drag and enlarge, and this will be properly fit in the center. So I hope this is something very, very creative and cool pic. And I think you all would have benefited out of this. And if you found this useful, click the button, share, like, and subscribe, and comment in the comment box if you have any opinion to share. And thank you for watching.